Okay, I got a GMC 4.8 liter in this truck here. It's a 2000, said 71 4x4, and here's the problem here. We got starts fine, runs fine for a second. This is when it's cold, only when it's cold. And then she starts dropping down in idle real bad, just barely running. I do have a check engine light code on, but I noticed if I plug it in, like if I actually plug the truck in overnight or whatever, because it's minus 20 or whatever here in Canada, watts. But if I plug it in, it doesn't seem to do this. So I have to, it'll restart fine, run, and almost like, I don't know, but if I feather the gas right now, I'd be able to keep it going. Just keep it up in better idle, eh? So, but here we go again, see? So they'll do this about 3 or 4 times, maybe 5 times, just running very low now. So the check engine light that was on it did say it was throttle positioning sensor, so I don't know if that's it or not. But if you guys know or had the same scenario on a old GMC 2000 4x4, let me know. Yeah, see, she picked it up again. So there you go. So I don't know. Back to funky, man. Now it's gonna run fine for a while. It probably almost clear up now.